Tomahawk Motorized Sprayers are versatile tools widely used in agriculture, landscaping, pest control, and other industries that require efficient and accurate spraying. With so many attachments to choose from, efficiency becomes key when spraying. Tomahawk's innovative Quick Connect adapter makes changing nozzles a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious attachment changes and hello to effortless productivity. Simply switch between nozzles with ease. Whether you're spraying up into tall trees or pressure root feeding, this adapter streamlines your workflow, reducing downtime and boosting your productivity. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, Tomahawk's Quick Connect adapters ensure a secure connection every time. Experience hassle-free spraying that saves you time and effort while delivering precise results. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your backpack sprayers, click subscribe today.